rolling slow on a southern line.
Just want to do a small status update on the garden beds. It's been a heat wave, 32-33 degrees centigrade. On top of the lawn we planted last year, not as nice as we hoped it would be. There's a lot of dark patches on it, unfortunately. Yesterday in 32 degrees centigrade, I made this bed on top. I started by building a stone wall. Actually, I used to use it as a compost bin, but the wife had other plants. So then I have put some weed control fabric below. Then I have soil on top. The two Leka blocks serve as platforms for pottery. Then planting perennials donated by the parents-in-law. The plants looked a little slack as they'd been staying 2 days in pots in the intense heat. But we're quite satisfied with the result. We'll need to pay attention to these that we planted last week. They also look a little slack. And what a blue Monday day 2 was. The temperature has plunged from 32 degrees centigrade to only 14 degrees centigrade just overnight. But there's been some thunder showers this morning, and it actually looks like that's been good for the plants. They look much better today. So we added a solar lamp and a pot on the two platforms, and then we'll try and see if we can find something to put in the pots. Let's have a look at the other bed that we planted last autumn. It looks actually very nice. I was especially concerned about this plant that we planted only a few weeks ago, because it looked very slack. So we added some supporting sticks, and it looks like it worked. It has fully recovered. It's no longer resting on the sticks. Excellent. A small terrace at the top. I have great expectations for the green plant. The lavenders, they're there, but not in a good condition. Let's have a look at the bed towards the neighbors at number 57. I was especially concerned about this one. There was a lot of broken stems, and it was lying flat during the heat. We put the rolling stones there before we went on vacation, and 3 weeks ago we made the bed itself, and it actually looks very nice. Even this one I was concerned about. A few of the plants is bought from the plant center. The rest is cannibalized from the southern orientated slope. The southern orientated slope looks to be in an excellent condition, but it was also planted during the summer last year. The only downside is below on the rolling stones there's a lot of weed. So inevitably we will have to put some weed control fabric under them, but that's gonna be later. All in all, the beds are in an excellent condition, and we are actually proud of what we have done with this small piece of rock. If you want to see more, press subscribe. See you soon.